From concept to reality, PCBA is the key. Caboer PCBA assembly clears the path to market for you. 1. What is PCBA? PCB is the skeleton. PCBA is the complete life system equipped with chips, resistors, and other components. It brings devices to life. 2. Wide-ranging applications, covering consumer electronics, medical devices, automotive electronics, IoT, and AI hardware, the ubiquitous core power source. 3. Caboer's core advantages, beyond assembly. One-stop peace of mind. We handle PCB manufacturing, component sourcing, testing, and delivery so you focus on innovation. Avoid pitfalls early. Free DFM review optimizes designs and prevents assembly issues. Quality assurance, AUI plus X-ray inspection plus functional testing. No compromise on quality. Scalable flexibility, seamless transition from 5 prototypes to 50000 unit production runs. Rapid response to demand. No need to worry about complex PCBA. Contact Caboer for a free consultation and ensure your product launches smoothly.